this is what I got for Christmas. I'm barely getting to opening it. I had another one. I didn't like it. So, I'll try this one. And see. So it is the Brother XR9550. Alright. First off is some pieces. The plug. The pedal that I don't have to use because it is, what is the word? What is the word? I don't know the word for it. My bad. I'm gonna put it down. Shouldn't kill it, you know. Some booklets. Alright. Ooh, it did come with a cover. Hey! So I got a cover for it. Heavy. It's a box of some kind of goodie. So let's check it out. Yeah. Alright. So I'm excited because it has a cover, no junk, but I'm keeping my stuff. So this is a sewing machine. Let me move y'all closer. Sorry about the lighting. Good. Okay, so this has 150 different stitches. It is computerized or whatever they want to call it. I'm not positive. But basically, I don't have to use a foot pedal. I can make it go through with this. So yeah. Okay. Please ignore my African grays, my dog, my kids, you know, all of it. That's my baby girl Lacey, the African gray. She's 14 years old, and if you don't give her attention, she will do that all day and night, or a loud screech. So yeah, my hands aren't working today. Okay. So, what a thing that I like about this too is the other bobbin winder and stuff was weird for me. This one sits on the side. Like, it don't have to be like the other one. It's actually, let me pick you up and show you. Right here, see it's sideways instead of standing up. And the other way, it was always getting stuck in here and breaking off. So, yeah. So this is the sewing machine, like I said. Pull all the tape off. The winding of the bobbin and all that I'll do in a separate video. So that way people can find it by title a little easier. So yeah, here's the box. Let's see what's in here. It's actually not that big, so. Alright, let's see. Oh yeah, I forgot this is the one that has the extended tray for it. Heck yeah. I'm always having issues with that part of it. What, Rufio? What, Rufio? And that's Rufio. He's the sleeper. The other one is the whistler. There's no in-betweens. So there's that. So you gotta flip up the wheels. There's that one and that one. And this one. 3 wheels you flip up. And your directions. Let me see the directions, because Lord knows if I don't. We don't have an issue. Okay. So this actually has a measure on it too, which is really, really cool and neat. So I think you're going to have to take this off. Hey, there's stuff in here. Oh, it's the needles and stuff. How awesome. I mean, The other one I didn't like because of this, so you know, it is what it is. But let's slide this on. Okay. All right. Let me show y'all from above. So see, instead of having the little plate, the little tray, I have a bigger plate. So it already has one needle installed. All the other stuff. Oh look, here's your other foot and all that. We'll go through that. Let's see what's in the booklet pamphlet thing. And you know, I never used to be one to register for the warranties, but yes, go register. So let's see what it comes with. Shows all the stitches. It has a DVD. See, got your registration. So number 1, a zigzag foot, a buttonhole foot, overcasting foot, monogram foot, zipper foot, bind stitch foot, button fitting foot, seam ripper, bobbin, and needle set, twin needles, ball point needle, cleaning brush, disc shaped screwdriver, spool cap, extra spool pin, foot controller, quilting foot, eyelet punch, wide table, DVD, manual, and hard case. So let's see what the hard case looks like. I'm taking it, I have to take this off, pop this piece back in. Oh no. Does this stay in there? Yeah, I guess so. Alright, let's roll this part back in. There you go. I don't want to stay. Rabbit's busy, baby. I don't know. How did that go in? Huh. Well, I mean, it has to go in order for the cover to go on. You know, guys. So I don't know. I'm on a video. Huh. So I don't know how to put this back down. I know that it popped up like this, but I don't know how it goes back down. Let's just see. So this will go to the back, I guess. See, it's blocking it right there with this. So there has to be, see, this is what I talk about. I don't like doing videos because every time I do, something happens. So let's see. I don't want to bore y'all with this, but this is important for people who have the same issue as me. You know? Push until it clicks. Okay. There you go. Easy peasy. Directions. So, here it is. There is a, see, I don't think that's supposed to stay in there. There's a styrofoam in there. But it's not coming out, so, yeah, and this part has to go in the back for the handle, so you can move it easy breezy. Right? Okay, that's all it does. Okay. I thought it actually went around the whole thing, but see, there's a little lever. It just comes off. It just sits. Well, I'm glad I didn't rip that styrofoam out. So, brother, computerized XR9550. I will come back with another video and show you the bobbin, the threading of the needles, and all the things you got to do to set it up. So watch out for those videos. And thanks for watching if you stuck through this.